Okay, Dawson and me walking up the hill. We're gonna go sledding. That's our sled. That's Dawson. That's the hill. Which side are we going on, Dawson?
What?
Which side are we going on?
That side.
Oh no, I haven't been on that side yet. What? Didn't fall. Okay. Hey, I almost fell. Wait for me. Oh no, I am not going in the front. Okay. Oh, this one's slippery. Whoa. Where's this going? Oh, shoot. Oh.
I was trying to look at this tree, and then I realized I have to look at the viewer.
Woo, that was nuts. Ice like fell onto the sled and it started going.